Hey everyone, welcome back to Robotics Tips. Today we are exploring the Code Tool in Omniverse. This is a powerful feature that allows you to create and customize tools, extensions, and script right inside Omniverse. So let's start. While the code tool itself is no longer available in Omniverse by the time I publish the video, the topics covered in this tutorial will still be relevant for understanding scripting and customization within Omniverse current environment. Click on Window and then Extensions. Click on the plus button to create a new extension. Select the first option. You have to create a folder now. Create a folder for the extension. Give a name. Click OK. Now you can submit. Give project name and then click OK. You can create the extension. So Visual Studio Code will be opened. Inside X folder, you can find your extension folder. Open the Python script extension.py. You can make the required changes so the changes will be reflected in the UI. A sample script is already available which have two buttons in the UI. So when you click on the button, a counter will increment. So you can change the name of the buttons so that you can use the buttons for your purpose. So when you save, the corresponding changes will get reflected in the UI screen. Create two more buttons by duplicating the code UI.button inside the edge stack. So the already available buttons are spawn sphere and delete sphere. We are creating two more. That is move and undo move. When you save, you will be able to see four buttons in the UI screen. I want one more button, that is change material. So saving that to get the changes in the UI screen. Now you can see 5 buttons. So we need to write the functionality for each of these buttons. Now when we click on these buttons, the function on click is getting called for the first one and on reset for the rest. We need to change these functions according to the requirement of the buttons. So first one is spawn sphere. So we need to find the code for spawn sphere. Close this window and go to the viewport. Click on create physics and ground plane to get a ground plane. Now we need to create a sphere. For that, click on create, then shape and then sphere. There is a tab called commands where you can see the code snippet for the particular action. So copy the command by clicking on the button selected commands and then paste. So you can move the import commands to top and keep the rest inside the function on click. After correcting the indents and after deleting all the things that are not relevant, you can test the button. Go to Omniverse and then delete the sphere. So now you can click on spawn sphere to create the sphere. So you can see when you click on the button, that sphere is getting created. So we have return the function to spawn a sphere. If you are not using code, you may not be having this option. In that case, you can write the code that I have given in the Visual Studio. So next step is to delete the sphere. So you will get the code in the commands. Click on selected commands. Paste the set of the code. So you can use the set of code to delete the sphere. So we need to create another function and use the function inside clicked function of the particular buttons. Now you can test. You can click the first button to spawn, second button to delete. Next step is to get the code to move. So move the sphere manually. So you will get a command. Click on selected commands and then paste it in extension.py. So you need to create another function for this. So inside function move, paste the set of code. Move the imports to top. If it is already there, you don't need to move. So after adjusting the indent, you can save. Call move function in the clicked function of the particular button. Save. And now you can test. Click on first button to spawn, third button to move, and second button to delete. Now you need to write another function to undo move. You can use the same code snippet to move, but you need to change the position to 0. After making the change, you can call this function in the clicked function of the particular button, undo move. Now you can save and test. Go to Omniverse, click on first button to spawn, second button to delete, spawn again, click on third button to move, fourth button to undo move. Now you need to change material of this button manually. Go to Materials tab, drag and drop a material to the sphere. So in commands, you will get the code snippet for applying material. Select both, click on selected materials and paste the code snippet inside a function. Change material. Move import. Adjust the indent of material code snippet and call the change material function on click of the particular function. Now you can test. Spawn, click on change material, the material will be changed. You can move, undo move, delete, spawn, change material. So this is how we write functionality of different buttons for an extension. By going to extensions in window, you can enable and disable your extension. Thanks for watching. See you with another video.